Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. This is Book 2. Let's sound out some words together. Ah. The letter A says ah. The letter N says I put the tip of my tongue up behind my top front teeth. And when you put them together, they say An. Get ready to read out loud with me. An. Man. Fan. An. 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 All right, let's read the words together again. This time, you go first and I'll go second. An. Can. Jan. Fan. Ran. Tan. Van. Dan. Ann. Man. Pan. Great work! When you are ready, go on to read Dan Can and get even more practice. Thank you so much for reading along with me and practicing. You are amazing. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.